Okay guys, welcome back to Foxtecc. Now this is a situation that I know 100% about, and this has happened to me multiple different times. So you put your AirPods in your ears and what happens is that music starts to play automatically. Like, if this is the case, then I'm gonna show you how you can disable it or whatever you want to do, but I'm gonna make sure you understand what's going on. So the reason it happens when you put them in your ears is due to a feature called automatic ear detection. When this feature is enabled, your AirPods can sense that they're in your ears and will automatically play music or other audio from the last app you were using. So this can be useful, and it's sometimes a good idea, but not all the time, to use this feature. But to stop it, you need to disable this in the settings. So start by opening the settings app, make sure your AirPods are connected, or you can have them in your ears or the case open next to the iPhone, and access the AirPods settings. So you should have them listed at the top of the settings page. If not, go to the Bluetooth section and find them there. Scroll down to find the automatic ear detection, and this is the feature that controls whether your AirPods automatically start playing audio or not. So toggle this feature off. By turning off automatic ear detection, your AirPods will no longer do that, so hopefully it should fix this problem. If you're also considering a less integrated music experience overall, you might want to choose a different music provider than Apple Music, because Apple Music tends to be more tightly integrated with iOS features, including those related to AirPods. So if you're in a situation of deciding if you want to get Spotify or Apple Music or something, yeah, decide accordingly. So this is how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. I'm not gonna drag it out any longer than it needs to be. Hope I said everything. And if you liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll catch you in the future.